এটা আমার একটা বহু পুরনো ক্যামেরা। এটার নাম নয়েজ প্লে। It's a very small camera made by the company, Indian company, Noise. And this might be the first model of Noise Play. I purchased this one back in 2016, and this is capable of recording 1080p videos as well as 16 megapixel still and some other shots too. This is a very good camera, and the thing is that this comes with a very small battery. This is the actual battery. This is the lithium battery which sits inside this box, this container. So, and this total battery, this box, actually goes here under this section, like every other camera battery. Now the thing is that as it is almost 6-7 years old, this battery has gone totally dead, and this is a 3.7 volt, around 1050 milliampere battery, which I need to replace. As this company is not manufacturing this camera right now, as well as the batteries are not available in Calcutta market as well as in Amazon too. So I was planning to replace this battery. This is a 3.7 volt and 1050 milliampere battery. Now the thing is that it is not available, that 1050 milliampere battery is not available, and even the size of this battery, that is also not available in the Calcutta market. So what we did, I purchased one 3.7 volt 1500 milliampere battery, which is a little bit higher than this stock battery, but I guess it will somehow work. And the thing is that this this battery is a little bit smaller than the stock battery, but somehow it didn't fit well in the box. So the connections are very simple. There are actually two positive and negative cables which comes along with the battery as well as this container, so that these pins can go into the camera body. Now what I'll do, I'll just connect these batteries with the box, and we'll check this camera whether it is working or not. So check this, stay with me. Hope you didn't like my setup, as I have a very small space and I don't have proper table or electrical bench so that I can work on my bench and everything is so organized. It is not organized like that. I have a spare room, and this room mostly covers with a big bed. So I didn't find anything apart from this bed for as my workplace. But somehow uh, I like this setup, and it's perfectly working. Even I don't have the proper light. uh, I have this emergency light which I used in camp also, and now I'm for my this electric setup I also use this lamp. Now my solder is almost heated, and let's see, let me connect all these connections together so that it can get the power from the newer battery. The cables are very small, very thin, so you have to work, you have to bit cautious on this, very small. Even my fingers are little bit thick, so that eventually I couldn't hold these cables with my fingers. It's kind of Good. See, I have some heat shrink tape too, so that after this soldering, I can cover those open endeds. This is nothing serious. Anyone can work on this. This video is just to make you aware that you can actually replace your batteries on your own. Not like that, if the manufacturer are not making the batteries right now, you can you can replace the battery yourself. A very simple thing, actually very common also nowadays, because lithium ion batteries are available in market, in every market I guess in India. Even I have seen some videos over YouTube that peoples are changing their drone batteries even with this 3.7 volt lithium iron batteries, and it's perfectly working, absolutely okay. When you have to pay uh, around hefty, around 5,000, 6,000 for your drone batteries, a DJI battery is very costly. But see, if you can manage, if you can change the inner batteries, I mean the core cells, so you can actually, you can get a very a good deal. Let's see whether it is working or not. And this is very interesting too. Now I will cover these open terminals, open cables with this heat shrink tape. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Although these cables are very small, very thin, but still, it's get a cover. You need to, you need a proper insulation. And here is the another terminal. Let's hit it up. Yep. Kind of okayish. Now what I will do, I will just keep these cables aside. There are some free space over here, so that the cable thing goes here and properly, and this part, this positive one, will go here, so that it will not make any problem future. Now everything is intact, everything is secure. Now what I'll do, this box comes with a cover also. I'll try to fit the cover here, and as the battery, the newer battery is in bit bigger size, so it didn't fit properly. So what I'll do, I'll check it later. And now let me check the voltage, if it is working or not. So this is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal which goes into the camera, and this is absolutely working fine. The voltage is 3.86 volt, perfectly all right. So I believe this camera will accept the battery and it will get on after so many years. This is a very good camera. Let's see. So this will go by this way. A little bit tricky. Little bit tricky. I'll cover it up. I'll let her cover it up. Not right now. No, no. I can use this black tape and cover the whole battery. That will be a wise idea. Yeah, super clean. What do you say? Let's see how it goes inside the camera. Still there is a notch, a bit higher notch. Okay, let me try one. It goes a bit steeper. Difficult. It goes inside. Perfectly all right. And let's power it on. Hey, and it's working. Absolutely working like old days. Yep. This. Oh, perfectly, perfectly. So let me try recording. Yep, it's recording. And the resolution is 2.7K. I was wrong. I thought I remembered. I didn't remember. I thought it was a 1080 camera, but now I see that this is a 2.7K 30 fps camera. And this is so teeny, so small, just goes into your pocket. These are called actually action cams. So later I buy a DJI action cam, but this one is also very good. Yeah, see the quality. A very small camera, and I recovered it. So, in case if you have a camera in your house that is not you are not able to run it because of the batteries are not available, you can actually change the battery, the inner battery by yourself. Visit your local market. It's recording. It's still recording, but the display is on off. Now again the display is on, but it's still recording. It is 1.11 minute. Yep, it's working absolutely fine. So that was what I was telling. If you have a camera that is not working due to the battery problem, you can replace it yourself. Check your local market or Amazon. You will get a similar kind of batteries like this one and change it yourself. The process I do. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next adventurous video. What do you say? This is adventure? Oh, no, 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 not adventure. These are my hobby. Okay. Bye bye. See you guys.